and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. Today we're going to learn about mode.
What is mode?
So mode is just another type of, you know
Like
how like
mode?
mean and median? So mean, mode, and median are all basically the same. You're trying to find the average. So let's start
How
on
do you solve for mode?
Oh, so you solve for mode. Basically, you find what number comes up the most, okay? On a set of numbers, okay?
Okay.
So let's do it for the first one.
Is that 8?
Huh? Let's check. So let's write the first one. Let's write for the first one.
I think we could just see and
Okay,
guess.
let's do it. 1, 2. 12 comes up only 2 times. So let's write it. 12 is 2, like a fraction. Okay, now 23 comes up only 1 time. Okay, now the 12 is already done. 5 comes up 4 times.
I think that's going to be the highest.
8 comes up 2 times. So I think we found our mode. It's probably 5 because it comes up the most. So let's write it down.
I thought it would be 23 because it's the highest number.
No, that's not how it works. It's just whichever number comes up the most. That will be the mode. Okay, let's move on to the next one. How many times does 3 come up? Can you check? 1, 2. 2 times. Okay. 4 comes up how
3
many times?
times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
And then
Okay.
5, 1 time.
5 comes up 1 time.
2 comes up 1 time.
2 comes up 1 time.
1 comes up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It's probably going to be the highest. 7 comes up 1 time.
I think we found our answer already. So it's gonna be 1.
I think in the next one it's going to be 3.
Yeah, same here. Let's check. 4. 1 time. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 6, 1 time. 5, 2 times. 1 time. 3 times. So I guess it's gonna be 3. We didn't need to do anything.
Yeah.
Let's just erase over. Okay. And let's write down for this one. 1, 3, 4, 5, 9, 34, 56, 2, and 6. There is no mode. So we'll just write no mode. You don't write 0 because 0 is also a number. So if you write 0, people would think, oh, 0 comes up the most. But 0 is not even there. So you write no mode. Okay? Let's move on to the next one. 7 comes up 1 time. 15 comes up 1 time. 10 comes up 3 times. I think that's it. 10 is oops. Let's use blue. 10 comes up 3 times. So that's a mode. And we're done.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Smash those like and subscribe buttons and bye.